I'm teaching you story that is Children at Work. It's a very beautiful story, children, as it will tell you that how child labor has become a great problem for our country, and this lesson is also about child labor. Let us see what happens in the story to a girl and a boy. The name of the boy is Velu, an 11-year-old boy. He runs from home. And what happens when he runs away? That is the story. And what problems he faces in the city when he reaches there. Let us see what is so problematic about this child. So in the very beginning, the story begins with the station platform. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled out in Chennai Central, it took Velu some time to get off. Velu was on the station. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly. After traveling for such a long time, when he landed on the platform, his legs were very shaky, as he was still on a moving train. Because he was still on a moving train, so his legs were very weak and shaking. Oh, out of the way, when he was on the station, somebody pushed him. He was a porter, वही कुली था, went by with a loaded trolley. Velu jumped aside. The trolley man came with lot of speed and Velu had to jump. He sat on a bench on the platform, put his small bundle down. He had a big bundle with him. He put it down on the platform. Velu was 11 years. He had never seen so many people except once a year at the fair in his village. उसने इतनी भीड़ आज तक मेले के अलावा कभी देखी नहीं थी गाँव में. People walked by, humping into him with their suitcases. Everybody was striking him with the suitcases and attaches. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. अचानक स्टेशन पर एक अनाउंसमेंट हुआ. Near him a group of people sat on their luggage. वहीं पर कुछ लोग अपने सामान पे बैठे हुए थे स्टेशन पर. Looking at a TV hanging from the roof. There was a TV from where the announcement was coming. The noise was terrible. Velu put his head down on his knees, feeling miserable and exhausted. Velu was very tired, so he sat down for some time. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts. उस दिन से उसने मूंगफली और एक गुड़ के टुकड़े के अलावा कुछ नहीं खाया. In his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel and a comb. He had walked for most of the to Kannur and then got on the train to Chennai. कन्नूर तक पैदल आया, फिर चेन्नई की ट्रेन पे बैठा. Velu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. He was very lucky that the ticket checker did not come, as he was without ticket. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. He slept, but some people were playing cards in the train. Oh, what new to town? Called out a rough voice. Velu opened his eyes. There were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. He saw that many people were there, but nobody was bothered about him. Here, hey! He turned around. अचानक एक आवाज़ आई, hey! Behind him was a girl around his own age, wearing a long banyan that came down on her knees. लंबी सी बनियान पहने एक लड़की ने उससे आवाज़ लगाई. Her hair was stiff, खड़े बाल, brownish, and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. उसने एक कंधे पे बोरी डाली हुई. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them into her sack. वो वहाँ से खाली कप कटोरी उठा के अपनी बोरी में भर रही. Why is she calling me? Thought Velu. And why is the girl wearing a banyan? No need to stare stupidly. उसने कहा मेरी तरफ मूर्खता से मत देखो. What's your name? Velu muttered. Velu. मेरा नाम वेलू है. So Mr. Velu said the girl looking at his bundle. उसका बंडल देखते हुए. Run away from home. घर से भाग के आया है. Velu did not answer. Did not want to tell some strange girl what he had done. किसी को बताना नहीं चाहता था अनजान लड़के वो क्या करके आया. He had run away because he could not stand his father beating him for one more day. अब वो अपने पापा की मार बहुत दिन तक नहीं सह सकता था. His father would snatch all the money Velu and his sisters earned and spent it on drink. His father was a drunkard and he used to spend all the money earned by them on the drinks. She sat down next to him. उसके पास ही बैठ गई. Velu shifted very slightly. He felt hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. उसने अपना पेट दबाया कि उसे भूख लगी थी. Hungry? said the girl. You won't get food by sitting here glumly. इसे मूर्खता की तरह बैठे रहोगे, खाना नहीं मिलने वाला है. I can find some if you want. She picked up her sack and started to walk away. वो उठी और उसको कहा बोरी लेकर चल पड़ी. Velu stayed on the bench. Velu was still sitting on the bench. What should he do? He was thinking, what should he do? Should he follow the girl? क्या वो लड़के पीछे जाए? Where was she going to take him? इसे कहाँ ले जाएगी? He was worried and in tension. She was disappearing into the crowd. वो भीड़ में गायब होती जा रही थी. So he had to make up his mind quickly. He had to decide very quickly what to do. ऑल राइट ही डिसाइडेड एनीवे आई हैव नो आइडिया वेयर टू गो, पर मुझे पता नहीं कि कहाँ जाना है. ही जम्प्ड अप एंड रैन आफ्टर हर, वो पीछे भागा. शी वॉजेंट इवन लुकिंग बैक टू सी वेयर ही वॉज. लड़की आगे जा रही. शी वॉज नॉट बॉदर्ड कि वेदर वैल्यू वॉज कमिंग आफ्टर हर और नॉट. शी वॉज नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट दैट. This is the first part of the story, children. Now the questions are, which you have to do from this first part is, I am reading those questions to you just so that you know what are the questions. Then I will give you these questions for assignment. Velu stood on the platform but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? What made him feel miserable? Velu travelled without a ticket. Why? How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? Why had Velu run away from home? Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? This is the first part of the story. Read at home. It's a very good story, children. In this story you will come to know that when the small children work, what problems they face, what is child labor, and then you have to write a paragraph on what is child labor. After that, so read it. I am sending it in the Google Classroom and to your class as well.